Welcome back to our second episode in our Canadian Crypto Taxes mini-series. Hi, my name is Nicole from Crypto Corner, and today we are going to get into how to calculate the gains and losses so that you can report it on your income tax and what the adjusted cost base is, how to track that. So let's get into it. So when you're calculating your capital gains or losses, when you are selling a coin, the gain or loss is really the difference between the proceeds that you've received less the adjusted cost base of that coin. So what is the adjusted cost base? How do we calculate that? I'm going to make this really easy on you. I've got a spreadsheet that we will go through, and I've got a link for the spreadsheet down in the description below that you can click on and even copy the template. Okay, so here is a spreadsheet on the average cost base calculation. This is a template and just an example, really, of what the adjusted cost base is, how you would calculate it. Now you will want to do this for every coin that you have and every coin that you're exchanging into another token. But it is a great way to keep track of your cryptocurrency and make sure that everything is up to par with CRA standards. So I will have a link to this spreadsheet in the description below. You can just click on that and view this. But let's quickly go over it. Essentially, it will track the date that you purchased your coin. So when you're first purchasing cryptocurrency, you have no opening. Let's say in this example, somebody purchased 2 Bitcoins on August 17th, 2016. So within this spreadsheet, you really just want to keep track of the number of coins that you're purchasing for Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum and the cost of those coins. And that will give you your average cost base. So this actually has all of the formulas already in it. So you actually just have to, if you copied a template of this, you could just fill in, whenever you're purchasing cryptocurrency, you would fill in your B column, how many coins you've purchased, and you would fill in your E column, the price that you paid for those coins. And then your average cost base over the years will just automatically calculate. So if I were to sell, for example, this isn't my spreadsheet, I just made this up, but if I were to sell, let's say some Bitcoin today, and it actually says I've currently got 9 Bitcoins, and the average cost base that I've paid for those Bitcoins is $10,595. So I would use this number in my calculation for figuring out my capital gains and losses. So for example, if I were to sell 1 Bitcoin today, well, let's just make these numbers simple. Let's just say that our average cost base is 10,000. And today the price of Bitcoin is $60,000. So I sold 1 Bitcoin for $60,000, and I would take the 10,000, my average cost base, and deduct it from what I received, which was 60. So that brings me to 50,000. So the 50,000 would be my capital gain that I would need to report to the CRA. In our next episode, we are going to get into what is reportable and what is taxable, and the difference between a capital gain and business income, because those are treated differently in terms of how they are taxed as well. And it will be important for you to determine what type of gain, what type of income you are reporting it as, and what the CRA stipulates as business income. So we'll see you on the next episode. Please hit like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified as soon as we release the next episode. We'll see you soon. Take care and be safe.